I'm Ben Hikes, and I love to explore. Join me on this epic journey in Hikes by Nature.
Today we're going to be walking around the moors. We've just got here. Sun rose about 20 minutes ago. I watched it rise while I was driving here. Like, it was lovely. You see it over there. So we're going to mooch around there for a bit, like, and enjoy the scenes.
Check out this little guy. Little crow eating plastic. There he goes. See you later, mate. Off to a better world. Good lad. Take it easy, lad. Hey, watch out for that pylon. Oh!
Alright, so regardless of what's just happened, we're going to carry on with our mooch today around the moors and enjoy ourselves. We're going to have a great day. That's what we're doing. Just get me boots on here. There's me boots. Nice. So yeah, see you later, car. Just locked my car up. Starting this mooch. Don't really know where I'm going. Not even on a path. Just walking over the hills there, like. Lovely, jubbly. So as I say, there's no pathway. Just sort of moss. There's the cars. There's the sun. I'm able to walk towards the sun or away from it, like. What do you reckon? It's a nice view from up here anyway, you know. See? There's another little fence coming up here. So we're gonna send me back in it. I can't get through there. There's a fence there, lad. There's a fence there. So I've discovered that I need to try and keep on a path for now because there's like holes in that field. It's nearly broke my shin bone walking through that. Got a screw in my pocket, like. Across this road there now. 3 to go. Oh, there's a car coming. He's too fast in. Even fast, there's a van coming. There's more cars coming. Just have to wait here for a bit, like, before we cross the road. Right, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's all clear. Oh, it's muddy. It's wet. Just how we like it. There's gates here. Like that. Lift that up like that. Open it. And then close it. Nice. Pennines. Pennine Way South. That's where we're going. See, there's a little sign there saying Pennine Way. So we're just going to walk this way, like, see? It's lovely. See what I mean? Nice little place, nice little perfect day for a walk. Just nearly fell over. Ah, look at this. Nice little pathway for us here. Thanks for joining us today anyway on this beautiful morning. Look at that. See for miles. It's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So there's the sun over there. I think we're just going to head up this way, see where it takes us. Never actually been here before. It's my first little mission. Just thought I'd film it and share it with the world, like, you know. Sorry about me shoddy camera work, as I say. It's my first mission, this, like, so. Thinking about coming camping out here one time, so that's why I'm filming here today and having a look, see if there's anywhere I could set a little campsite up for a night or two. Watch out for these rocks and that. So it's beautiful, isn't it? See? It's about 7:20 or something now. 7. So it's not too bad. Look at that. Look at that view. I don't know if you can see that. Right in the distance. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then on this side, you got the sun over there. Absolutely wonderful. No place I'd rather be. Yeah. I'm gonna run. I'm running. Let's run. Oh, watch out for rocks and that. Oh, he's running. He's running. Let's get to the top. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. There's a path going there. There's like a little fence open there. Oh. Let's go and investigate, shall we? Let's have it. South Pennines. That's where we are. Alright, knackered after that little burst, but let's get my breath back. Woo! Look at that. I'd camp out here any time. Here's the M62 that way. I don't know if you know it, but where that farm house is in between the roads, it's down there. Over that way. Over that way is where I've just come from. Over this way, well, that's to be discovered. Let us mooch and discover. Gotta get a march on. I don't know where I'm going. It's proper nice fields and land and that. I've always thought about walking over these Pennines. Just never had the chance because it's a bit of a drive from mine. But look at it, man. The camera don't do it justice. Stunning. It looks like it's a bit of a drop off here. The drop off? Great one. Oh, man, there's a proper drop off here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's beautiful. Take in that view. Look at it. Look at it! Wow. To me, it looks like the floor of the ocean. See the way the land sort of carved away, scarred like that? Yeah, it's where the water has eroded it. We're talking hundreds of thousands of years ago. Possibly less. But yeah, there's definitely water here on these lands. Submerged for miles. And I'm here. It's a great experience. You guys should get out. Get out here more often. Look at that, it's nice. That's great. That's really, really great. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Nice. I think we're going to move on in a sec. Move on to the next spot there.
Next spot.
The top of the mountain, yeah! We did it! We did it! Look at it. Look at that view. Look at it, belter. Man, I absolutely love it here. It's proper nice. Nice breeze. Watch the sunrise. Come on, top of the mountain. Top of the mountain. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. Absolutely love it. Come on. Top of the mountain. So, just thanks for joining us. It's been a lovely trip. Made it even better that you guys maybe enjoy it as well. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Make some more cool videos for you guys. So, yeah. Let's have one more look at that. Hey, what's not to like? Give us a like.
Walking through sheep excrement. Yeah, that's boulder. Oh, there's a little creek here. See that? Moisture working its way down the mountain. I gotta go up to go down. Passing over this fence here, and I'm walking back to the vehicle. Yeah, I can't get over that view. Can't get over how nice that view is. Absolutely love it here. Look at that view over there now as well. Now the sun's lit it up. You can see that? Lovely. Lovely jubbly, eh? So yeah, going down the mountain now. See you later, son. Absolutely lovely round here. Making our way down. Back to the vehicle. Watching our footstep. Oh look, there's a little pond there. Look at that. I've got to walk right into a pond. Jeez. Why am I walking closer to it then? Oh, away from the pond. Can't remember if this is the path that I took up. Was it? It's holy. Holy moly. Oh god, there's a bit there. Where the hell? This is not an ideal situation. Stay calm under pressure. Wet floor. Oh my gosh. The suspense is killing me. Just need to find a pathway quick. Make a pathway, guys. I never doubted just for a second.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Look at this rock that I found. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try and crack it open. See there? Looks like it's already split. Maybe there's gold inside.
I'm gonna break it open. The bloody rock, for Christ's sake. Oh, I can't do it.
Hey, so I managed to bust that rock open. Take a look inside it. See all them little minerals and great little crystals inside. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see it. See, these little crystals. There's one.
Okay, so I don't know what to do with this large piece of rock. I can't break it open with one hand, and I want to film. The demise of the rock will end its time on the end of my boot heel. Steel toe capped straight to the face. Let's do this. Oh! 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 No steely. Oh, it hit right there. Oh, 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 oh. Definite broken foot. Call the ambulance, helicopter service immediately. Broken foot. Oh. man. So here we are, back at the vehicle. So yeah, we just got back to the car now. Getting a bit moody out there, you know, it was lovely this morning and been a beautiful day, like. It's just been lovely around here. Stunning, stunning views. I mean, you can't see much from here in my car now, like, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thank you so much for coming with us. I love filming. If like you want to see more, let me know. Any suggestions, where to go, let me know. Give us a shout. Give us a like if you like what I'm doing. Yeah, take it easy. All right, thanks for watching, legends.